Here I am, know it's been a while.
Hey
I
babes.
was in denial about my life. Here I stand, I know I
Hi
walked
everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you will enjoy this video. Today's video gonna be about eyelashes, and I'm gonna be trying and reviewing this eyelash subscription box, EMBELASHES. Well, this company reached out to me like recently and asked me if I wanted to try their product, and they said it was a lash subscription box, and I was super excited because I love subscription boxes and I couldn't wait to try these eyelashes on my eyes. And also, as you know me, if you have seen my previous videos, I'm always wearing eyelash extensions because I love eyelashes. Because as you can see, I'm not proud about my eyelashes because they are really tiny and thin, and as you know, I love wispy and like really fluffy eyelashes. So I was super excited when I got their box, and now I'm gonna show you everything what we have inside. So I'm gonna tell you some information about their eyelash subscription box types. So they have 3 different types, and the first type is starter, and it's 2 eyelash set for $15 a month. And then there is lash lover, and it's 4 eyelash sets for $25. And there is lash babe, and it's $35, and there is 6 eyelash set. Oh, and I forgot, they also offer this eyelash glue and this really necessary tool for eyelashes, this the scissor and the lash picker, like lash applicator. So I'm going to show you all the designs of the eyelashes that I got. So the first one I have is this Nova. The second I have this Bali. Then I have this Stellar. This is very wispy, dramatic eyelashes, which I love. Then I have Miami. This one is Dreaming. Last one, Rain. Guys, I'm gonna try one of them to show you how I will apply them on my eyes, and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about this subscription box, about the quality. I already have my makeup on, but I'm gonna apply the mascara first before I apply the eyelashes. Well, as you can see, I have very small, tiny eyelashes. That's why I usually wear eyelash extensions. But right now I removed them, so I really needed these eyelashes in my life. So I applied the mascara every time I apply the false eyelashes. So I think that when I apply the mascara, false eyelashes will stay longer on my natural eyelashes. Style of the eyelash that I'm gonna be trying is this Nova, and well, this box is so cute. It's like this. I really like the design of this packaging. Okay. And every time before I apply the glue on my eyelash, I just try it on my eyes without glue to see if it's the right size for my eyelid. So I'm gonna try this Nova eyelash now. So I think this eyelash does not need cutting because it's like really my size. So I'm gonna apply the glue now and just wait for 30 seconds the glue to dry up. Well, at first it looks like the blue color, this glue, but then it's becoming like really clear. It's like the glue is disappearing from the lash band. So I'm gonna apply it now. Okay, it's very simple to apply the eyelash with this lash applicator. So it's like, because with it your lash goes directly to the lash line, and it's really easy and helpful. So guys, I applied my eyelashes on both of my eyes, and now I think that my eyes look prettier than it was before, because as you know I love eyelashes and I can't live without them. And when I look at these eyelashes, they look like really, it's like I have extensions on, and I'm so happy and I really love this product. And now I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about this product. Well, it was really easy to apply the eyelashes with this lash applicator. This was really helpful. It was very simple to apply this eyelash, and I like the quality of it, and I like that the lash band is not stiff. It's not thick as the other eyelash as the other false eyelashes that I have had before. It's very thin and very natural, and it like goes on your eyelid really easily. So I really loved how easy it was to apply the eyelash on my eyes. About the glue, I can say that it's really strong and it like holds my eyelash really well on my eyelid. And this is also really good because there are a lot of glues that I have tried, and they are removing the eyelash, is like peeling off with just one touch because of the glue. But this glue is like really strong, and I'm gonna leave the link of these eyelashes in the description box, and if you subscribe from this link you will get eyelash glue for free. So this is a great deal and don't miss it. So guys, I can say that I really recommend this brand. I love that it's cruelty free, and I love that it's handmade, and this is amazing. And also I can't wait to try this other beautiful styles, and I'm gonna be posting pictures wearing them in my Instagram, so just keep your eye on my feed. And finally, I want to say thank you to EMBELASHES for sending this amazing eyelashes. You really saved me, because right now I was without eyelashes and I was like really stressed, and when I applied these false eyelashes I was really happy because they look so wispy, and I love this wispy look. And also what I can tell you about the price is that this quality eyelashes for just 2 sets for just $15 is like amazing deal, because as I said, it's a very good quality eyelashes, and it's like really similar to high-end eyelashes, and I really recommend them. And also, as I said, there are 3 types of the subscription: starter, lash babe, lash lover, and lash baby. Also 4 eyelashes for just $25 and 6 eyelashes for just $35. It's like amazing deal, guys. I definitely recommend this product. There is one thing, so if you cancel the subscription, you can cancel it anytime and there is no fee. So this is really amazing. You can just subscribe and get your eyelashes and try them, and if you love them, just stay subscribed, or if you don't love them, just cancel it. But believe me, you will love them because they are amazing, and every month they are sending like different style, different shape eyelashes, and this is really amazing deal. So guys, you should definitely check the description and subscribe now. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.